Hi everybody. Today we are going to start 6th class mathematics. So in that we are going to discuss first chapter, that is knowing our numbers. Knowing our numbers. So this is the first chapter. In previous classes we learnt up to thousands, that is tens, hundreds and thousands. And in previous classes we also learnt comparison of numbers. Okay, so we learned up to thousands. In that numbers we learn the comparison means so identifying the greatest numbers and smallest numbers and writing in ascending order, descending order. These all we learnt in previous classes. Once we have to remember these all. So let us take some numbers. I'm taking some 35, 127, 4567, 378. Like this we have some numbers. So among these all numbers we have to identify the smallest and greatest number, and also we have to write in ascending or descending order. So to write or to identify the greatest or smallest number, first of all you have to write the number of digits in each number. So in the first number we have 1 2 digits. In second we have 3 digits. In third 1 2 3 4 digits. In fourth 1 2 3 digits. So in this all numbers, this number has more number of digits. Then we say that this is the biggest number or greatest number. This is the greatest number, and which has the less number of digits. This is the less number of digits. So this is the smallest number, and this is the greatest number. Okay, so like this we can identify the greatest number and smallest number. Okay, next, suppose we want to write in ascending order. What is the ascending order? This is also called increasing order. This ascending order also we can call as increasing order. So increasing means so from small to big number. Okay, in this what is the smallest number? 35 is the smallest number, 35. Next number is, these two has 3 digits. So these two has 3 digits. Among these two numbers, so to identify the greatest number, if the two numbers have same number of digits, first you have to see the third digit. So that is first, second, third digit. So here also first, second, third digit. Here third digit is 3, here third digit is 1. So from these two, this is the smallest number. So 127 is the smaller than 378. So next smaller number is 127. Next we know that 378 is and 4567. This is ascending order. And descending order. So descending order is descending order. This decreasing order. This also we can call as decreasing order. So what is the decreasing order? You have to write the greatest number to smallest number. So already we written in small to great, then you have to write the reverse. So that is the greatest number is 4567, 378, next 127 and 35. This is the descending order. Okay, so to identify the greatest number or smallest number, first you have to count the number of digits in each number. So which has the more number of digits, then we say that that is the greatest number. The number which has less number of digits, that number is, we can say, smallest number. Okay, so this is the process to identify the greatest and smallest number. And if two numbers has same number of digits, if two numbers has same number of digits, then we see the left first number. So first number from left, you have to see the first number from left. So which has the least digit, or which has the least number, that is the smaller number. So which has the greater number in left first number digit, so which is the greater number. Let us take some examples. So first question is, which is the greatest and smallest among the group of numbers? So this is the group of numbers. So you have to identify greatest and smallest numbers. So to write greatest and smallest number, what you have to write first? The number of digits in each number. So in this we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So each number has 5 number of digits. So all are having same number of digits. So if we have same number of digits, you have to see the first number from left. So first number is 1. Here first number is 1. Here also 1. It is also 1. Then go to second digit. So from left you have to see the second digit. So this is 5, 5, 5, 5. So this is also same. Next to third digit from left. So this is 4. This is 4. And it is 8. And it is 3. It is 5. So among this all, so it is 4, 8, 3, 5. Among these numbers, we have 8 is greater number. Among these all numbers, we can say 8 is the greater number. 4, 8, 3, 5. So we can say that this is the greatest number. So greatest number is 15,892. So this is the greatest number. Then smallest number. Smallest number. Okay, smallest number is, again, among these all numbers. So which is the smallest number? 3 is the smallest number. So then we say that this total number, that is 15,370, is the smallest number. 15,370. So what we are doing? Observing the first digits from left. So if they are equal, then go to second digits. If they are equal, go to third digit. If they are equal, go to fourth digit. Like this, you have to observe the digits from left. Okay, so then second question. So here also same process. So first of all, count the number of digits. In this we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this also we have 5 digits. In this also we have 5. This is also having 5 digits. So if all the numbers having same number of digits, we have to see the first number from left. So what is the first number from left? It is 2. It is also 2. It is also 2. It is also 2. Second digit 5, 5, 5, 5. This is also same. Then go to third digit. So what is the third digit? So here we have 0 and it is 2, 8 and it is 6. Among this all, which is the greatest number? 0, 2, 8, 6. So we know that 8 is the greatest number. So greatest number is 25,800. Next to smallest number. Smallest number. What is the smallest number? So again, among this all, which is the smallest number? So 0 is the smallest number. So we can say that 25,073 is the smallest number. Okay, this is the process. Next, another question. Write the numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means increasing order. So increasing order, to write increasing order, this is also same method. You have to identify the number of digits, count the number of digits. So which has 4 number of digits. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits, which has 5 and which has again 5. So what is the smallest number? We can say the first number having 4 number of digits. So this is the smallest number. Ascending order is, the smallest number is 9347. Okay, ascending order means writing small to big, small number to big number. So in this is the smallest number, and these 3 numbers having same number of digits. So we have to see first number from left. First number from left. So what is the first number here? 1. Here 2 and it is 1. These 2 numbers have same digits and also they are smaller to this number. So these 2 are smaller than this. Again, among these 2 numbers, go to the second digit from left. So it is 9 and it is 2. From these 2 is the smaller number. We know that 2 is the smaller number. 2 is the smaller number. So 12,300 is smaller than 19,035. So we have to write 12,300. What is the next number? Already you know that this is the smaller than this, because in first left number it has 1 and it has 2. So 1 is less than 2. That's why this number is less than this number. So 19,035. Next number is 22,570. Okay, this is the method to write in ascending order. Next, write the numbers in descending order. Descending order means decreasing order. Decreasing order means write the numbers from bigger to smaller. This is also same method. First of all, you have to write the number of digits. This has 4. This has again 4. It is also has 4 and we have 5 digits. So we can say that this number has 5 number of digits. So this number has more number of digits. So we can say this is the greater number. So descending order is 18,500 is the greatest number. Sorry, 18,500 is greatest number. These 3 numbers having same number of digits. So what we have to do? You have to see the first digits from left. So these 2 numbers having 3 and this has 8. So we can say that this is the greater than these 2 because it has 8 greater digit in first. So 8,700 is greater number, and among these three, these digits are equal, then go to the next digit from left. So it has 0 and it has 9. So in this, which is greater? 9 is greater. So we can say that 3900 is greater than this number. So we have to write this number first and 300. So this is the descending order. So like this we have to take some more problems and practice well, then we can understand perfectly. So let us take some more examples in this topic. So put appropriate symbol less than or greater than in the space given. So you have to write the symbols in this space. So what is the symbol? This is the less than symbol, and this called greater than symbol. To identify the greater number or smaller number, you have to count the number of digits. This number has 4 number of digits. This number also has 4 number of digits. So what is the second method? First, see the first number, first digit from left. This is 4 and this is also 4, and 8. This is the 9 and this is 6. Among from these two, 9 is the greatest number. 9 is greater than 6. So we can say that 4895 is greater than 4864. So this is greater means you have to write greater than. So this open side number should be greater. This open side number is greater. This number is smaller. Okay, see the second. Here also we have same number of digits. So again the same method. First you have to see the first number from left. 9. Again 9. So third digit is 4. This is 5 and this is the 4. From these two, 5 is the greater number. Then we say that this number 99,454 is greater than this number. Okay, this open side number should be greater. If this number is greater, you have to write this symbol. This side number is greater. Okay, next problem. Form 4-digit numbers with the digits 4037 and find which is the greatest and the smallest among them. So by using these numbers, you have to form 4-digit numbers. Form 4-digit numbers. So with the digits, by using these numbers, you have to form 4-digit numbers. So let us 4037, 4037. You can write 4307, 4073, 4370, like this. By writing 3 in thousands digits, 3047, 3407, 3740, like this. You can write some more 7430, 7340. So like this you can write some more 4-digit numbers. So in all the numbers we kept 4 in 1000 digits or 3 or 7, but you should not write 0 in 1000 digits. Why? Because if you write 0 in 1000 digits, it will become 3-digit number. So because 0 is by writing 0 in thousands place, it will become the 3-digit number. So you should not write 0 in thousands place. Okay, so like this you can write some more 4-digit numbers. So from among these you have to write by using these digits you have to write greatest number, and smallest number. Smallest number. Okay. So what is the greatest number? How can you write the greatest number? To form greatest number, you have to write the greatest number among these four in first from left. To form a greatest number, you have to write greatest number among these four. You have to write in first from left. So what is the greatest number? 7. 7 you have to write first from left. Then you have to write the next greatest number. What is the next greatest number? 4. Then next 3. Next 0. So this is the greatest number formed by using these 4 digits, these 4 numbers. So next smallest. To form smallest number, you have to write the smallest number among these 4 first from left. So what is the smallest? 0. But by writing 0 in thousands place, it will become the 3-digit number. So you should not write 0 first. You have to write the next smallest number, that is the 3. Then we can write the 0. Then next smallest 4. Then last 7. So this is the smallest number which formed by using these 4 numbers. Okay. So this is the method to form a greatest and smallest number by using given numbers. Next question. Write the smallest 4-digit number. To write the smallest 4-digit number, we should use all smaller digits. What are the smaller digits? So we have the digits as 0, 1, 2, 3, dash up to 9. So 0 is the smallest digit and 9 is the greatest digit. So in this, by writing 0 in first from left, so it will become valueless. So you have to write 1 in first. Then you can write the 0. So this is the smallest 4-digit number. Next, greatest 4-digit number. To form greatest 4-digit number, you have to write all greater digits. What are the greater digit? What is the greater digit? 9. So 9, 9, 9, 9. So this is the greatest 4-digit number. Next, the smallest 5-digit number. Same method. First you have to write 1. Then smallest digit is 0. You have to write 4 times. Totally it will become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-digit number. The greatest 5-digit number. To form greatest 5-digit number, you have to write all greater digits. That is, greatest digit is 9. You have to write 5 times. So this is 99,999 is the greatest 5-digit number. 10,000 is the smallest 5-digit number. 9,999 is the greatest 4-digit number. 1000 is the smallest 4-digit number. Okay, this is our topic. So comparison of numbers in first topic, knowing numbers. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thank you.